The Ello Color Lock glass food containers are a vibrant and practical solution for all your food storage needs, bringing a splash of joy to your kitchen. Each piece in this 20-piece mixed set is a testament to thoughtful design, offering a durable and dependable home for your culinary creations. The containers are crafted from premium borosilicate glass, which is like a steadfast guardian for your food, ensuring it stays fresh and flavorful. This resilient glass can handle extreme temperatures with grace, so you can move a container directly from the freezer to the microwave without a second thought. Moreover, the sleek and stylish purple rain lids are not only aesthetically pleasing, but they are also a marvel of engineering. These lids feature Ello's signature color lock technology, creating a hermetic seal that is as strong as an unbreakable promise. Consequently, you can confidently pack soups and stews without the fear of spills or leaks, and your bag will remain pristine. The airtight and leak-proof design is a game-changer, providing peace of mind whether you are taking lunch to work or storing leftovers in the fridge. Beyond their functional prowess, the Ello Color Lock glass food containers are a beacon of convenience, making your daily life simpler and more sustainable. These containers are a chef's dream, as they are completely safe for use in the dishwasher, microwave, and freezer, thus streamlining your meal prep and cleanup process. They are a friend to the environment too, as their reusable nature helps to reduce reliance on single-use plastics. In addition, the BPA-free plastic lids are a clear indication of Ello's commitment to your health and well-being. Furthermore, the containers are a beautiful and organized addition to any kitchen cabinet, transforming cluttered shelves into a neat and tidy space. The set includes a variety of sizes and shapes, which offers a versatile canvas for storing everything from individual snacks to family-sized meals. Therefore, whether you are portioning out a week's worth of lunches or simply saving a small amount of sauce, there is a container perfectly suited for the task. The Ello Color Lock glass food containers truly are a harmonious blend of form and function. Finally, the Ello Color Lock glass food containers transcend the mundane act of food storage, becoming an essential part of your culinary journey. They are a treasure chest for your leftovers, preserving their deliciousness until you are ready to enjoy them again. Indeed, the purple rain lids are a captivating hue that adds a touch of elegance to your refrigerator and lunch bag. Likewise, the clear glass allows you to see the contents at a glance, so you never have to guess what's inside. Nevertheless, their most significant feature might be the peace of mind they provide. Subsequently, you can rest assured that your food is being stored safely and securely. In conclusion, this set is more than just a collection of containers. It is an investment in quality, convenience, and a more mindful approach to food. In short, the Ello Color Lock glass food containers are a cornerstone of modern kitchenware, designed to make your life easier and your food happier. Pros: airtight and leak-proof, dishwasher safe, made of thick, durable glass, holds up to accidental drops, easy to twist on/off lids, doesn't retain odors like plastic, easy to clean, great for meal prepping, perfect size for a single serving. Cheaper than on company website, good design and functional, cute colors. Cons: takes up a lot of space, plastic edge is broken, not cheap. Features: leak-proof, airtight lids, BPA-free plastic lids, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, freezer safe. Color: purple rain, glass material. The Ello Color Lock 20-piece food storage set is a versatile solution for meal prep and leftovers. Made from durable glass, these containers feature leak-proof and airtight BPA-free plastic lids to keep food fresh. They are safe for use in the dishwasher, microwave, and freezer, making them convenient for everyday use. The set comes in a stylish purple rain color, The Ello Color Lock 20PC mixed glass food storage set is a durable and functional solution for meal prepping and storing food. Made of thick, drop-resistant glass, these containers are designed with airtight, leak-proof BPA-free plastic lids that are easy to twist on and off. The glass construction prevents them from retaining odors like plastic, and they are easy to clean, as well as safe for the dishwasher, microwave, and freezer. While the set is praised for its cute colors and practical single-serving sizes, a few downsides include the containers taking up a significant amount of space, a reported issue with the plastic edge breaking, and the higher price point compared to some alternatives. Despite being cheaper than on the company's website,